Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get custom anime phone app icons, and this is going to be for Android and iPhone. I'm going to do Android first, and then I'm going to do iPhone later on in the video, so you guys can watch throughout the whole video, or just skip to the iPhone part. But this is how you do it for Android. So first you can see all the icons, and these are all custom. I customly made these icons in Photoshop. So these are going to be, I'll leave these in the section of the video so you guys can just screenshot them and then crop them and then put them for yours. Or I could put a Google Drive link so you guys can download them all. But they do all work, as you can see here. Don't look at that. But they all work here, like Google Chrome. I touch it, it works. You guys can see that, but you touch it, it works, and all the icons do. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. So first, what you're going to want to do if you're on Android is you're going to download X Icon Changer. So from X Icon Changer, you're going to have a screen like this, and then you're going to search the app you want. So let's say I want to do Twitter. I'll go to Twitter, and you can see the icons that I've already done, but you're going to be at a screen like this. You're going to hit Photo, you're going to hit Gallery. It's going to take you to your downloads where you have the icons, screenshots, whatever, and you're going to select the one you want. Go here, select this shape, and just stretch it to what you want. So we're going to make it about right here, so this should be good. And then you hit done. Okay. This version of the app does have an ad, so you have to watch the ad. So you wait for the ad to be completed, and then it's going to make a icon of it, and you just replace that icon with the one you already have. I'll show you guys right now. So after the ad finishes playing, you're going to hit add, and it's going to add this to your home screen. And then you go back to your home screen. They usually put mine over here, and this is it right here. And I just put on my home. You just hit it and Twitter opens up. Go make sure to follow me on Twitter. So that's basically it for Android. And now I'm going to go on and show you guys how to do the same thing on iPhone. Okay, so now onto iPhone. And with iPhone, it's a little bit easier because you don't have to download any other app. You can just do it right from the settings. So on iPhone, what you're going to want to do is go to shortcuts. And then when you get to shortcuts, you're going to hit create new shortcut and then add an action. And then that action is going to be open and then app, open app. So we're going to go to open app, and then we're going to choose our app. So we're going to do Twitter. So we find Twitter. And then up here, we're going to hit the three dots at the top left of the screen, hit those, and then put the shortcut line Twitter. And then from Twitter, we're going to hit add to home screen, and then name it Twitter again. Okay, Twitter. So from Twitter, we're going to go, after we name it Twitter, both of them, we're going to hit choose photo. And for the photo, we're going to go for the Grimjaw one. We're just going to scale it to the box size. So it's about right there. And then after we scale it, we're going to hit choose and add. And it's going to say add it to home screen. So we're going to hit done, done. Go back to our home screen, and it's right there. So, and that's how you do it. And just to confirm it works, goes right into Twitter. So now that you guys know how to do it, I'm going to put all the icons in the video. You'll see them. All you got to do is screenshot them, crop them, set them as your anime icons. And if you guys want to see more anime icons or me make more of them, tell me what you guys want to see down in the comments below. Like say, oh, I want to see Snapchat with Pikachu, or I want to see Spotify with Deku or Gon. Just comment down below what you want to see, and on Twitter I'll update you guys with more anime icons that you guys can save and use those. So let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know if you guys want to see how to do this on your desktop, because I can show you guys how to make a whole anime themed PC desktop. So let me know if you guys want to see that. That's all I have for today. With all that being said, I want you guys to have a good day and peace.